If I gave you 20 to 40 additional qualified meetings a month, consistently and guaranteed, would your business actually have any more problems? In this short video, I want to share with you the AI system that is absolutely printing qualified calls for ourselves and our clients. And at the end of this video, I'll share a secret link where you can grab our entire... Before I get to the free value content that you just downloaded, let me ask you a question. Do you know how many calls you have next week? How about next month? Look, here's the real truth. Some weeks you have little movement, other weeks, nothing. Dry, dead, completely ghost town. And you probably keep telling yourself, we'll figure it out, something's gonna click soon enough, maybe it might happen later. But if we're being real, if we're being honest, it hasn't. Not in a long time. And the worst part is you actually close when you get them on the phone. You get them on the call when you get them in person. You just don't have enough of those right conversations yet. You're not getting enough of those month over month, week over week, and it's not happening at the high velocity you need it to. So let's make this simple. What I'm about to reveal right now is the same system that books us over 200 applications a month and does the same thing for founders in B2B software, healthcare, agencies, government tech, coaches, consultants, and every impossible niche you can even think of. So far, we've been able to print qualified meetings in over 167 niches and counting. And no, this is not cold outreach. This is not SDRs. This is not hacks or nuanced tactics that you never heard of before, or that maybe coming from Instagram Reels or what have you. Not scraping emails, not praying that ads will work. It's a predictable engine for qualified meetings built around one thing: trust. Because without trust, nothing works. It does not matter what you do. If your prospect does not trust you, they will not click. Saying stuff to me like lead quality is trash, outbound is dead, our niche is impossible, we spent thousands and got nothing, we only get junk meetings, we don't know what's going wrong, we're not getting in front of the right people, we close 70 to 90% if someone would just freaking show up. Every call, same pattern. Different industries, same pain. The real reason nothing has worked so far is this: your buyers just don't trust you. Not enough to open your emails, not enough to click your ads, not enough to take your cold calls, not enough to book a meeting from the ad, not enough to respond consistently. Every tactic has collapsed at the exact same point. Zero trust upfront. It's not that outbound didn't fail. It's not that LinkedIn didn't fail. It's not that ads didn't fail. The trust gap failed you. And until you fix trust first, nothing else matters.
Brian here from Heal Clinical. Just wanted to do a real quick shout out to Shane and Jake and team over at Adstra. We've been working with them for about 8 weeks now. It took about 3.5 weeks until we got our first virtual sales letter ad up on Facebook. I don't even think we spent $3,000 yet. Currently, we see an ROI on annual recurring revenue of about $200,000 just with the work we've done here in 8 weeks. So I'm super excited to refer Adstra to you. As every other business owner, you're trying to go fast. They do a great job. They communicate perfectly. And they just get it done. I mean, we're all busy. We're just trying to get more leads. And if you're looking for more leads, spend the money. Hire Adstra.
Deep research into your exact buyer, messaging that mirrors their real words, a trust-building value asset, conversion-first creative assets on the front end and the back end, the full funnel, reinforced with AI, all the ad campaigns and management, AI follow-up that gets 40% of the meetings of all of our clients and all the booked calls we do right now as it stands. 40+% come from our SMS AI follow-up, which is incredible. Qualification filters, retargeting everywhere. I'm sure you've seen it. I'm sure my ads have been chasing you around from top to bottom. Reporting you can actually use, see, and forecast and show to the board and say, hey, we're actually improving here. And booked qualified meetings directly in your calendar on autopilot so that you can finally start predictably growing. Everything required to go from invisible to in demand, all entirely done for you with a 100% money back guarantee. You're not buying ads. You're not buying automation. You're not buying a funnel. You're buying predictable leverage, sales efficiency, consistency, control, pipeline confidence, revenue you can forecast, and your time back. This is not a marketing expense. It's an infrastructure.
We had six appointments, 2 no-shows, 4 shows, and so we were very, two of the 4 that showed up were very interested, and we gave them a proposal. So we're getting
nice.
Close. Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, right?
And yesterday we did the quintessential thing of what we want this program to be. The doctor got something on his phone. responded. There was information going back and forth. He booked a call. Larry and I were there, and we showed up, and he showed up, and we had a great conversation, and he's qualified, and he loves it, and we're just sending him the proposal. So it was like exactly the way you want it to work, and it warmed my heart. We just want to do more of those. The conversion to booking a call certainly seems to have picked up this week.
Pick below, book a call, watch the demo video on the next page prior to your call. No pressure, no sales pitch. Leave your credit card at home. It is not a sales call. It's a clarity call. It's to see if we can even help you. Okay. Not a sales call. Okay. Like I said, click the button below and see how we can guarantee qualified meetings if we can possibly help you. Watch that demo video on the next page. But here's the truth. The founders who win aren't the ones who push harder. They're the ones who finally stop guessing and install a system that doesn't depend on luck, moods, emotion, or hope. If you're done waiting for things to magically get better, if you're done patching broken tactics, you're ready for a pipeline that actually feels stable, then click the button below and let's build that predictable engine.